Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You must act fast. Once you realize a message needs removing, open the conversation immediately. You have about 2 minutes from send time. Make sure you and the recipient are on iMessage, blue bubbles, and your iPhone runs iOS 16 or newer. Once done, locate the exact message bubble. Don't tap other UI first, because the undo send option appears only when you press and hold that bubble. This prepares you to perform the unsend action without wasting time. Press and hold the message bubble. A contextual menu appears with Edit, Undo Send, and Reactions. Tap Undo Send right away to initiate removal. This removes the message from your device and usually from the recipient's device. Make sure to confirm the bubble disappears, and a small system note indicates you unsent a message. If you see Edit instead, you can alter content, but Undo Send is the one that deletes. If it doesn't work, move to troubleshooting steps next. After unsending, check the conversation for a short system notification that the message was removed. That confirms success. If you can't find Undo Send, it's likely the other person isn't using iMessage, their device runs an older iOS, or more than 2 minutes have passed. In that case, delete your local copy and send a quick clarification or apology. Make sure both devices are updated to iOS 16 Plus for future unsends, and enable automatic updates to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.